Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different to hair, but it is something that will hopefully help you if you're getting into this whole vlogging and filming and social media and bringing it to your salon. If you're a hairdresser, you want to pick up one of these because these little bits of kit is perfect for your all-in-one filming kit. So the guys over at Joby have kindly sent me this. It is the Joby Gorillapod mobile vlogging kit. So it contains, if you're not aware of Joby and Gorillapods, they're the tripods that are like little bubbles and they bend all over the place. You can wrap around stuff and really cool, really versatile tripod to have your cameras on. So they've been kind enough to send me this vlogging kit. Now one of the biggest things when you start vlogging, I had this conversation today actually, and talking to somebody about getting a camera, but they were a little bit unsure as if to be like, oh, I don't know if I'll be any good at it, I don't know if I'm going to continue to do it. Best camera to start with is your mobile phone, and this is perfect. So this is for your mobile phone. There is a GoPro on there, but that is just a little addition that you can add at some point. But this consists of the Joby Gorilla tripod, 2 extra arms, a phone holder, a microphone dead cat that stops the wind, and all the cables and everything to get it done. And did I say a light? So let's open it. So when you start filming YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Instagram or TikTok now, and you want to create, or you want something that's going to be like an all-in-one, this is absolutely incredible for that. It comes in around about £170. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to pick one up. But there's the tripod. So that is the first Gorillapod, and that's what I mean by the little bobbly bits. They bend all over the place and they wrap around branches, or they wrap around anything really if you want to have it there. So that was the tripod. Then we have the phone mount, and this is probably the best phone mount I've ever seen in my life. So strong. Oh yeah, so it's even got a lock on the back to stop it from opening, and then you can also turn it sort of like portrait, landscape, whichever way you want. And it's got a cold shoe mount. Sorry, cold shoe mount will be to connect a microphone, an extra light. But let's start building this so you guys can see. So here's the tripod, and then we just get this on here. There's our first part to it. So our phone will fit in there. Next thing we get are 2 extra arms, and these fit in there. So we're just going to screw them in. And look, this just bends all over the place, so we can have it there. There's another little mount for camera, GoPro, light. Let's get the other arm, and then this goes here. I think this is probably one of the best vlogging kits I've ever seen. I just want to say thank you, Joby, for sending me it. But yeah, look, that's it coming together now. So we've got 2 extra arms. Here it is, ready to vlog with. The tripod's there. Phone mount is there. Next thing is a light, and this light is so bright. Look how bright that is. So let's turn it off. And when you talk about lighting, you want to soften it. You normally get soft boxes, or you can turn them down. Joby have literally put like a soft panel that you can put in here. Fits over the light, and it just softens it off, so you've got like a really soft light now. So we get that little screw mount there. There's our light. So that is our lighting. So when we're vlogging, we know we're going to be lit. Next thing is the microphone. So here's the microphone, and then there's the dead cat for the wind. So we're not outside at the minute, but where this will go is it will just pop in that cold shoe mount up there. We turn that to lock it in, and there's a shotgun mic that will connect to our phone. So now we've got our lead. This will plug in the back just there, and because I'm on Android, I haven't got to get the iPhone adapter. but this actually comes with one as well, an iPhone adapter. They've literally thought of everything. So let's get my phone, and then we're just going to undo that so we can get my phone in, get it set up, secure it. This is just going to plug in, and there is our vlogging kit. You don't need to buy all expensive cameras and everything. If you've got a phone, your camera on your phone is perfect for it. Now that is me ready to vlog. So I've got my light, I've got my camera, so I've got my phone, I can use them as my screen, I've got my mic here, and I've got an extra arm here. So this also comes with attachments. So there's this attachment, which will connect an action camera to it. These three little prongs just there, that will slot in there. And there's also another one that I see, which is a little extension. So that'll go there, and it's just a little extension for a different type of connection. And there's also a spare cold shoe mount. So that will just screw on there. There we go, another cold shoe mount. So this is the all-in-one Joby vlogging kit. I think it is absolutely perfect. If you're thinking about getting into vlogging and you want a professional kit that's not too big, not too bulky, but has literally everything, this is the one. So yeah, if we go out in the wind, we just pop that over the mic. There we go, and that will stop all of the wind noise sort of beating through the microphone. And we're ready to start vlogging. So like I said, link is in description below if you want to pick yourself up one of these. It's an affiliate link, which means I'll probably get a little bit of percentage if you buy one of these. Just want to make sure that you know that. My links down below are all affiliate links. It just helps me be able to create these videos and bring it at a higher level to you and be able to offer you products like this as well, because obviously the company wants to get something in return. So that's the vlogging kit from Joby. All I can say is they've got everything right. Literally everything in one. And then if you don't want to use all of that and you just want to use the tripod for, say, another camera, there you go, that's there. This can be here, and that can just have your normal camera, if you've got a normal camera, just to go on it, and then quickly swap it back. And you haven't got to hold it all the time, because this is Joby. You can stand it up ready to start filming, or you can wrap these legs around something and they'll just stay there perfectly. So yeah, thanks Joby for sending me this. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, like button, and let me know in the comments down below if you pick one up. I'd love to know if you grab one of these. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.